Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to make a copy on a Riso machine, right? First of all, you're going to find this is going to be like this down here. Then you don't press this to Cambridge. You just put in your papers down. Okay, once you put in all these papers, what happens? You open this. You put in your page like that. You can see where it sits here. Okay, after doing that, then you're gonna close here. Already the machine can tempt to create a master, but if there was a master before, what you do, you just say, okay, let me make two. There was a master before, so I'm gonna make two. It gives you a sample first, so you can see now this lifted itself up to pick up papers. So let's see. So it gave me the first paper. It created its own new masters. So if I'm happy with that, then I can say start. You can see. So it's fine. So now I can decide to make maybe 10. The more it makes copies, the more it's gonna be clear, because you can see this and this, they are not clear. You can see the copies we got here, they are what? Clear. Better than the first one we used, right? Yeah, this I think makes a lot of sense to us. So what we do is, remember this machine was not designed to make 10 copies, 12 copies. It was designed to make a lot of copies. You get me? That's the thing. So let me get this here. So not to waste papers, what you do, you can can put in these papers like this. How do? You press here. Okay. Then I can say I need 10. So look what is gonna happen. It will elevate that up. Then it will make copies, because it won't give you a sample this time, because already we have a master which was created already. Okay, now you can see very clear. So now we're going to learn how to insert a toner. We just press here. Who's that? Then you're gonna press this. When this, you see this light, it means you can take out this drum if you want. But now I'm gonna just twist this and take this toner out. You can see the toner. This is the toner. So it has a chip and all that. So what we do, we're gonna put it in here. Okay, then you can close here. You can see also the mileage and the masters. Get me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's 1 million, 1 point. This machine is very, very, very powerful machine. It can make 5, 6 million without getting much of stress. You get me? So it's a very powerful machine. That's why we recommend people to buy these machines. Okay, I'm closing here. It gives me that error. You just clear. I just press there, then you say, I need 10 more. Because it created a master already, so we don't have any stress. Why? Because it's now having what they call, wow, what's going on here? Okay, there was some few pages we made before. Okay, side by side. Okay, I don't want to waste. I want to make copies again. Okay, if I make copies, I make them sit face down. So we've seen how to put in ink. We've seen how to make copies. We can also show you something else. Yeah. These papers, we can put them here. So once we say I need maybe six of that, say okay. Done. It's a very fast machine. So yeah, well, that's it, guys. So you wanna make copies, that's what you do. So yeah, don't put in papers which are copies which are like this, folded or whatever. I understand. So I think that's gonna help us. So let me show you also another thing. You open here when you wanna put in a master, you press here. Once you press, it will light. Once you light, press this out. Okay, once you scroll this out, you can see the master is like this. You get me? So now you can press here and take this out. So then you can do what? Press here. You get me? So once you press here and this goes out, then you can put in your master here. So when you put on your master, then you're gonna soak this inside here. Get me? It's gonna be, your master is gonna be like this. Understand? So what you do is you're gonna put here, then you come there, then you put this, let it be like this. When you press like tip, it will click in. Okay, after clicking in, you try to put this in. So once you close it, it's gonna roll itself. You see it rolled itself. Yes, after that everything is fine here. Okay, then you push this inside, it clicks and switches off here. So when I put them out, press this, it does that. But now once you're done, you're fine with that, then you close this. It could give you an error like this, so by then you can just say press OK. Then you say I need to make copies. Let me see if I can get something here. This time I'm gonna make this make it sit on A4 and say I need. So it's creating a new master. That's why you can see it's pressing here. So it's throwing out the old master, then it's creating a new master. You can see. If I'm fine with that sample, then I say okay. Well, good. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.